How to create a poll on Fiverr. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will show you how we can create a poll on Fiverr. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Fiverr application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in into your account. So once you're logged in, now you have to open up a chat or the group where you want to create a poll on. Once you're on the chat page, navigate to the bottom left corner, tap on the plus icon. From these options available here, tap on poll. Now you can create a poll. You can turn on the quiz mode at the top by turning on the toggle here. It says quizzes can only have one right answer, members answer once and cannot change it. So if you want to turn on, you can turn on. If not, tap and add your questions. Under that, you can add option. Tap on add option, and add option. You can add multiple option. Tap on the plus icon and then you can add an option. Once you're done with adding your questions, tap on create and then this poll will be created and sent in this chat. That's how you create a poll on Fiverr, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.